High winds, lightning, and vehicles can cause damage to utility poles and other equipment, often causing a power outage. When a crew gets an assignment to replace a pole, they load the necessary materials and they travel to the job site. When they arrive, they assess the damage, de-energize any remaining wires to make the area safe, while they wait for Miss Utility to mark any underground infrastructure. After underground marking is complete, the crew uses specialized equipment to dig around the pole and then remove it. They then set the new pole and reconnect the power lines using cross arms and other equipment. Depending upon the complexity of the damage, some poles may take longer to replace than others. Once a crew is assigned and work begins, it takes our crews an average of 8 hours to renew a pole and restore service. As a reminder, never touch a down wire, stay at least 35 feet away, and call 1-877-778-2222 to report it.